So, welcome to Google, and now we are going to see how Google actually works. To better understand the working of Google, we firstly try to compare Google with a library. Now, let's consider you are a librarian, and suddenly a 7th standard girl came in a library and asked you for a Nobel Prize. She asked you for a book that has everything about Nobel Prize. When you look at your bag, there are thousands, lakhs of books lying in the shelves, and you are totally confused what to give to her. In such cases, what you need is a system. A system that can search trillion pages in answer to each question and can respond to huge customer inquiries every day. And now in this case, Google is a librarian and Earth is a giant library. Google also has a system, the system that collects data from each and every page on the internet. The main functions of Google's system are crawling, indexing, and ranking. Let's have a look at them one by one. Now take a look at crawling. It has a crawler or a spider that scans the data from every page on the internet. Consider it as an automated bot. This is what a crawler scans for. That is web title, keywords, links, contents, headers, images, and literally everything on that specific web page.
Coming up the next is indexing. Indexing is a mechanism that stores the data scanned by the crawler in neat and accessible manner in the Google system.
Now it's time to understand what is ranking. Ranking is a program that orders the search result in a specific manner that is most relevant and useful, that decides which result will be on the first place, second place, and the list goes on. Google has an algorithm for ranking the results which has over 200 factors for positioning the results. Some of the factors are keywords entered, that is the keyword you are searching for, location of a search, what is your current location when you are searching any specific result, and freshness of the topic. Google has scanning and indexing the data since the day Google has launched. That is from 4th of September 1998, and we may say that it's the birthday of Google.
Now remember, next time when you hit the search button on the Google's page, this is what happens. Google locates relevant results in their database that removes spam results and then again ranks the result, and the results are presented to you.
And this whole lot of process takes just a fractions of seconds, not even a whole second, just a fractions of second. Now coming back to the librarian, he's happy because he has a system, he has a Google, and he can help anyone with any book they want. Just the way the Google is happy because it's providing us any information from any corner of the world. In the whole year 2020, everyone was sitting inside their homes and searching on the Google the reason for them to be get locked inside their own houses. And the most searched topic on the Google in 2020 was COVID-19. That just met the record. Here's another fun fact, that Google responds 40,000 queries in just a second. That is 240 lakh queries in just 1 minute. That because they have the most powerful algorithm for search engine. Comparing with the other search engines, the most user-friendly, fast and efficient is Google search. And that's why Google doesn't share a lot about the working algorithms to the outer world due to some privacy concerns. Coming to the conclusion, we may conclude that every working professional is helpless without Google. Google has been one of the most important parts of human life. We have understood how efficiently Google works and tells us what we want within a second. Google is consistently working to make their searching more optimized and updating their algorithms time to time to please their customers with great innovation they brings to us. It was great interacting for seminar. Apologies for any misunderstandings and thanks to my guide teacher for their guidance. Bye till then, stay safe, happy Googling.